Another person told me about her situation. She'd been driving on a 5,000-mile trip with a friend, and she noticed two issues. One, that she had vertigo in certain positions called positional or benign paroxysmal or positional vertigo, and been going for about a year. And this was diminished with 2 StemEnhance a day after just 1 month. So that made her feel really great, because obviously that can be quite debilitating if you get dizzy and turn your head a certain way. And because there's in your inner ear, there's little otoconia, these little crystals that kind of roll around in there. And so dampening, affecting that inflammation, improving that is going to helped her with that. She also mentioned that even though she's 85, while taking StemEnhance, her energy was undaunted throughout the trip when they were driving 500 miles a day approximately. So just their energy was also great. So that's a really appreciate that feedback.